Welcome to Mrbelleskitchen today. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. And if you're wondering how to subscribe, you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! And you are subscribed to Mrbelleskitchen. I would like to thank everybody for watching. Mr. Bell have a lot of videos out there. And I've been putting a lot of things on the list that people have been leaving in the comment they want me to do in the Power XL and different things. So I'll still be going down that list and everything. So today I'll be doing something entirely different in the Power XL. I'll be cooking in the Power XL today. Last week we went to the Sam's Club to pick up a little grocery and everything. We was gonna get my son some chicken nuggets. And they didn't have the regular chicken nuggets. So we told our son, oh, they just have the spicy chicken nuggets. Oh, I like them, get them. You know how kids are, the first thing they holler, as long as it's chicken nuggets or whatever they want. Oh, I eat it. So we brought them. We brought them home and everything. These right here, they are very, very spicy. As you see how orange they look. They are very orange and they are very spicy. So we get it home and the next day we bake some and everything. My son usually eat 14, 15 at a time. So we baked some and everything. My wife made him about 15 of them. And he must have ate 6 of them. He had the water right there by his mouth, just drinking the water and everything. So I looked at him and I put some on my plate and I started eating them and everything. They'll make you cry. And my son looked, I said, oh, it's taking you a long time to eat them. Oh, Dad, they hot. I said, that's what we told you, they are hot. Every time you think you can eat it, you eat hot Cheetos and everything and Takis and everything, but these are hot. So his older sister came over one day, so I was fitting to give her the bag of them, give her a bag of them. Then I said, wait a minute. So I give her half of it. She'll take it home to her kids and everything. So her kids is old enough to eat them and everything, enjoy them and everything. So I said, I'm gonna take some out the bag and I'm gonna make a video and let my son finish eating them up. So what I'm gonna do today with these chicken nuggets, I'm gonna grate some potatoes. I got 4 of these arch potatoes. I'm just gonna grate them like hash brown. As you see, I peeled it already. And that's all you do is take this right here and just grate it on there, just like this. Just grate it, just like it'll be like hash brown. And that's like that, just grate it and everything. I peeled this potato already. And as you see, and this is my first time making this video. So when he get out of school, he gonna have some grated potatoes with chicken nuggets in the inside of it. He's gonna finish up this batch. And I'm gonna do it just like that. And grate it, as you see, just like that. And this potato's almost done grated. Just grate it just like that. I'm gonna do 4 of them. As you see, this is nice and good and grated and everything. But anyway, my ingredients today, I'll be using these chicken nuggets right here. I'll be using 2 eggs, 2 stems of green onion, and the only season I'll be using is 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 cup of milk. Them are my ingredients today. I'm not gonna use no lot of ingredients and everything because trust me, these are hot. And I'm just gonna put it in like this. I'm gonna put it to the side with the rest of them right here. And I'm gonna set this Power XL. I will be using the Power XL today. So I'm gonna set this Power XL bake. It's on bake. I'm gonna set the temperature for 375. 375, and I'm gonna set the minutes. I'm gonna set it for 45 minutes. I might not use all the minutes, but I'm gonna set it for 45 minutes. Set it for 45 minutes, and I'm gonna press start. because it's gonna preheat for about 5 minutes. So I'm gonna let it preheat while I get the rest of these ingredients together and everything. So I'm gonna get the potatoes together. Mr. Belle will be right back. So I forgot to mention my Tillamook cheese. I'm using 3/4 of it. So I'm gonna set it to the side. And I'm gonna start cracking these eggs and put this milk in here and set this to the side. So I'm gonna crack my eggs and put in here with this milk. Just like that. Set it to the side. As you see, I'm using 2 eggs and I'm just gonna beat this up nice and good. And I'm gonna put my salt in with it. You can put whatever you want in it and everything, but today I'm just doing it. This is my first time doing it. I'm gonna just beat this up just like this. Beat it up nice and good. Just beat it up just like that. As you see, it's coming on real good. Put my onions in there and everything. I'm gonna put this to the side. So it say add food. So I'm gonna raise this top up. And I'm gonna just get my potatoes and I'm gonna put it in just like this. Put it in, spread it out. Like I say, Mr. Belle, I like to take you step by step. And I'm gonna put it in just like this. Just toss some of them in like that. And then I'm gonna just start putting these nuggets right on top of it. This right here is gonna be delicious. Put them in like that. Just like that. Let it be nice and good. So every piece gonna have a nugget in it. Every slice you pick up. And I'll put it in just like that. Put all these nuggets in there. Just like that. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna throw a little cheese on top of that. Just like that. Make that nice and good. Put the cheese on, let it just melt like that. I'm trying to hurry up before we start all over again. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the rest of the potatoes on top of there like that. Just like that. Put the potatoes on. This right here is gonna be delicious. Spread that on just like that. What I'm gonna do now, you put the rest of the cheese on. Look at that. That's looking good. So, put that on just like that. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just mix this up a little bit more and I'm gonna just pour it all over. Pour it all over like that. Let it just, this right here is gonna seal it in real good. And I'm gonna close it. Press start. As you see, it's starting at 45. Mr. Belle gonna take you step by step. And as you see, Mr. Belle makes a mess too. So this right here, this is why I say, for all my first time watchers, and just watching Mr. Belle cooking channel, wash your dishes as this is cooking. Don't leave it for the spouse. Don't leave it for your roommate. Don't leave it for the kids. Don't leave it for your friend. They might be hungry and they might turn down the food. They trying to figure out who gonna wash the dishes. If you wash the dishes, everybody enjoy the food. I'll be right back. I'm gonna wash these dishes. Okay, it's been 8 minutes. We're gonna take a look at this together. As you see, it's coming out real nice and everything. I'm gonna try to tilt this up just a little so you can see and get an idea. That's coming out real good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close it, let it bake a little bit more and everything, and that's gonna be delicious. So I'm gonna close it, let it bake a little more. So whenever something like that happens, when you go to the store and you get something, instead of getting upset and everything, you can be creative and create a different dish out of what they might not eat right then and there. Mix it with something else. Thank you. Okay, altogether it's been about 15 minutes. We're gonna take another look at it and everything. That's looking good. That's just about done right there. So what I'm gonna let it cook for a few more minutes and I'm gonna take this out. So it's been 16 minutes, so this is done. So I'm gonna take this out. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press cancel. Press cancel, and I'm gonna take this out, unplug it, and I'm gonna take this out. And this right here is just shredded potatoes stuffed with chicken nuggets. Remember, you can just about cook anything. If you buy something and your kids don't like it, you can always cook it with something else or stuff it with something else, and they probably end up eating it. Right now, we're gonna see how this tastes. I'm gonna take a little of this out right here. And like I say, these are stuffed with chicken nuggets. And these are your shredded potatoes. As you see, I'm gonna take it out and I'm just gonna try a little bit of it and see how that come out. It came out and everything. And as you see, I got some of this chicken nugget in there and the season is on it. And it's nice and soft, and you still could taste just a little bit of the hotness in there, but the potatoes and everything, it's gonna make it taste real nice. It tastes good. So that's cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you don't know how to subscribe and wonder how to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Ding! Mr. Belle got a lot of videos out there and a lot of videos coming. You could leave a comment what you want me to do. I try my best to do it in the power of Excel. You know, Mr. Belle take you step by step. Thank you for all the good comments you've been leaving and everything. That's what keep Mr. Belle motivated. Thank you.